Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a different type of video than the ones I normally do, but basically I'm going to show you how to disappear on Omegle. So you might have seen me doing this in my last video, well my last two videos actually, where I was disappearing and people were freaking out. It was fun.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, let's get right into it. Also, I just want to say, you can use this on anything. Like you can use this on like online school, you can use this during Zoom classes. You can use this on Discord calls, like you can use it anywhere. What you'll first need to do is you'll need to download a software. It's called OBS. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's called OBS. So basically what this does, it's not only the software you need to do the thing on Omegle, but you can also actually record videos and stuff with it, and that's how I record my videos. But that's not what we're going to be doing. So you just want to download it for whatever you're using. So I'm on Windows right now. You might have a Mac, or maybe you're using Linux. You just want to download it. Okay, so it's not downloaded, right? So you want to click here to open it up, so it will run the exe file. So you want to press, so right here you probably can't see my screen, but it's going to say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You want to click on yes. So now it's going to run you through the setup, so just say next. And so I already have it running, so you can just figure out what to do from here. Okay, so after the exe file is installed, you can just go through the setup process. It's really easy. The next step you need to do to actually set up the trick, or the disappearing trick on Omegle. So I'll show you my screen real quick. So right now you're seeing my screen. You can see this is what OBS Studio looks like when you open it up, right? So for you, what you'll see in the bottom left corner, right here, it says there's scenes. So I already made lots of different scenes. But so what you can do, you make your own by going here. See it? So you press the plus. It says please enter the name of the scene. So you'll want to type whatever you want to name it. I'll name mine Omegle trick. So you press OK. So now it's a blank scene. So you can't see anything right now. But so it's a blank scene. There's nothing that's there on Omegle trick. So basically the way the trick works is it starts off as you, right? And then it switches to a video of my room. So you actually want to make two scenes. So you want to have a scene for the Omegle trick, and you want to have a scene for your webcam. Actually, let me show you how to make the webcam scene. So, because I did not show this earlier. So, to make the webcam scene, you want to just please enter the name of the scene. I'm going to name it webcam. So again, it says you don't have any sources. Click the plus button below. Press plus. This time you're going to press video capture device. So, you can say create new. And so it's going to ask you which camera you want to use, device. Or whatever the name of your camera is, that's what you want to pick. Press OK. So like see, if I go to my webcam scene, now you can see everything my webcam sees. And if you go to Omegle trick, it'll go to that. And so basically the next step, you have to open your camera. So you can go to search, CAMERA, open it up. And so now you're seeing me again, right? So the next step, you have to actually take a video of your room, just like a short 10-second video of your room. You could take a picture too, but a video makes it look better because see your webcam, there's like all those like little dots and stuff on the ground. When you take a picture, it freezes, so it looks like a lot worse when you take a picture. So it's a lot better to take a video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move out of the frame and start taking a video. So now you can actually close out of your camera app, right? Close out of that. Okay, so after you take your 10-second video, your just quick video, you want to go back to Omegle trick. So click on the scene that says Omegle trick. So now it's going to say, you don't have any sources. Click the plus button below, or right click here to add one. You press plus. So then there's a lot of different options. You want to pick media source. So you just want to click create new. And then you can name it whatever you want. Press OK. Then it's going to ask you to browse your computer for a file that you want to put in there. So I'm going to find the video, or you want to find the video that you just took of your bedroom. So mine's right here. Click on it and press open. Now you have to check this, otherwise it will not work. You want to press loop. So press loop, and that just means that 10-second video will become infinite, so we'll just keep playing infinitely, and you won't be able to tell. You won't be able to tell when it restarts anyways. So now this is all good. Press OK. So now you're seeing a video of my room, right? But if I press back on the scene that says webcam, so now you have your webcam set up and you have this set up. And so when you switch between them, for you it might look like a cut, or it might look like a different transition. So you want to come over here to scene transitions and click fade. So then you press fade. You want it to be 500 milliseconds. That you can choose different times, but 500 milliseconds worked the best for me. So it looks really smooth if I do this. Okay, there's just one more thing you need to do before you can actually start using this. So actually there's two more things. So you need to go to this area where it says controls, and you want to press on start virtual camera. So that basically makes it so you have another camera, but it's like actually OBS running the camera. So it's a virtual camera. It's not a real camera. The one other thing you need to do after you press start virtual camera, you need to go to Google, and then so you want to go to the three dots over here, click on settings. When you go here, you want to search up camera on the top. Then you'll see this thing that says site settings. Click on this. So now it's going to give you a whole list of settings. You want to click on camera again. So it says camera asked before accessing. You want to click on that. So now it says camera, and it's going to give you a drop down menu of what camera you want to use. You want to click on OBS virtual camera because we just activated the virtual camera right there. So now we're using the OBS virtual camera on Google. And so now if we want to, we can go test it out on Omegle. See? Okay, well, that's basically all I had to show you. It works perfect. It works good. So, yeah, so, I just want to show you guys how to do this. It's a easy thing to do, not very hard. Anyone can do it. That's probably going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Leave a like, subscribe, and, this is how to disappear on Omegle.